Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this episode, we'll show you the process how to apply for the fully funded scholarship in Western Australia University. So, this is an RTP scholarship for international students to pursue their masters and PhD. It's a fully funded scholarship. We'll show detailed application process. Before we proceed, let me remind to subscribe YouTube channel for scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this scholarship in Australia is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective descriptions. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com here. And on Instagram, you can directly check out the stories or highlights or directly message our team for the link. Or in the Instagram bio section, you can see website is also given there. Or you can directly Google search fullscholarships.net. Once you land on this website here, you can read about this particular scholarship. This University of Western Australia RTP scholarship is for international students to complete their research based postgraduate scholarships. So you can apply for this scholarship. This is offered by the government of Australia, and this university is offering the RTP scholarship as well. So they are the participants, they are the participating institutions, higher education institutions in this scholarship. So we'll discuss this in a detail. The host country is Australia. It's a fully funded scholarship where you will get around the scholarship of $38,000, and this can be used to cover your daily expenses, accommodation, travel, and other expenses. Deadline for this opportunity is 15th of September 2026. You can apply for masters, and scholarship will be provided for 2 years. For PhD, it will be up to 3.5 years. Eligibility criteria: you should have a bachelor's or master's degree and English proficiency, and basic. You should have like applied to the course of the university. So for that, if you have applied for the admissions, you have got the offer, you can directly apply for scholarship. If you are yet to apply, you can apply for the admissions first, then apply for the scholarships. So the documents you need to apply for this particular scholarship is CV, passport, birth certificate, and English language requirements like that you are meeting. If you IELTS and TOEFL that you can submit. Else, if you don't have IELTS and TOEFL, you can submit the medium of instruction certificate, academic transcripts, and if you have thesis or dissertation, you can submit that. Process is simple. Main, you should meet the eligibility criteria, then upload all documents to the form and submit it. So you should submit it before or by the 15th of September 2026. In order to start application, click on this button here to apply. Now, once you click on that, you can see the higher degree by research application portal here. There's a welcome message and eligibility criteria, supervision, application details, everything is given here. Now you can see uh, here you can see scholarship rounds. Just yesterday, or you can say today, it opened. Today, you can see the application instruction and advice. Click on this. Now you can see. We'll show you that. Here, if you go for the third step, you can see apply for a scholarship. It shows here there is no scholarship rounds right now open, but when you it just opened today actually. When you go to the step 3, you can see online scholarship application form. So click on this, and here you can see application form just started from 1st of August 2026 until 15th of September 2026. So today is 1st of August, and we are the first on the YouTube to bring you this particular scholarship, and we'll show the process. So once you go to this page here, you need to click on this application instructions and advice for applicants. So click on this. If you see this, there is no UW scholarship, you don't need to worry, it is not updated yet, but there's an application open. So you can see open from 1st of August. So today is 1st of August, it is there. Now click on start, and you have to enter personal details here: first name, last name, your date of birth, and then email address. After that, applicant type: I have submitted an application for admission and received an offer letter, or I am enrolled in a course for which I am seeking scholarship. So I have just submitted my application, And if you have received offer, you can do that. If you're not yet applied, you can do that first, then apply for the scholarship. Now tap on next, and you can see the HDR Hub admission application ID. Then tap on next, then student number, tap on next, then coordinating supervisor name, then click on next. After that, if you hold an offer of the university but not currently enrolled, you'll be considered for the relevant scholarships. So you can see 2027 HDR scholarship round is also given there, information for that. You can see advice, all details you can see are given there. So it is also opening today. So this scholarship will be offering the 39,000 scholarship. That is the actual scholarship we have discussed here. So now click on next. So this is the scholarship it will be considering our application. So that's the application scholarship application we are discussing. So it automatically considers you for that scholarship. So now you have to upload offer letter, or you can say experience details, or for example here you have to provide CV in the PDF format. Now let's upload the CV first. Here you can see upload it. Now tap on next, and now declaration, you have to understand the terms and conditions, then click on done. So you can see thank you for completing your application domestic. Please note that following timeline is there, and ranking and commencement. So you might also receive an email. Let me just go to the Gmail here, and thank you for your domestic mid round, and these are the details. Completing an application, we have done that. So because we mentioned all student number, everything, so it does not ask your documents yet because you submitted that for the admissions. So everything is there, and for example you have not applied for the courses yet, you can do that here on the course list. You can say different courses are there, and for example you want to go for this masters of fine arts here, you can see course web pages here. You can choose any of the masters courses there, and it's a 2-year program, and you can see apply, tap on apply. Now you can see ready to apply, and other degrees are there also. So we can click on research degree here, and because in case you have not got your login ID yet, so you need to create that. Most of the students will be needing that login, so it will be available for industrial students starting 1st of August. So right now it will be available almost, and let's click on this here, and you need to create an account. There's also no application fee for the admissions as well. So for deadlines, in case you miss the deadline, you can check out the list of deadlines. You can see different programs are there. For example, I'll go with the fine arts here, and course code is there. Every detail for that program is given here. So you should apply for the program first, then apply for the scholarship. And because there you need a student number, everything ID that they require on that scholarship form that we filled here, this form that we filled, HDR scholarship, and you need to have that. And for future students, see details here. You can search your courses. If you are ready, you can click on ready, apply now, and you can create your account here. Then I'll opt, then sign up. Okay, one must be there in a capital letter. And let's sign up. You're already registered. Okay, we'll be click on login here. Let's use that email and password. Tap on login. And if we logged in here, we have created the account previously, so we have already signed up. And for research as well, you can go to the graduate courses here and apply online using HDR portal here. And sign up is not showing here because for you can see our profile here. Now we have successfully signed up. Now if you like, we have previously completed one application here. If you want new application like this, your dashboard will be, so you'll have to click on new application, and list of programs will be displayed here. You can see first full degree, which application type, full degree, click on continue. Then course selection, you'll have to select a course. You can see different courses will be going for masters. You can see different, for example, I'll go with the masters of environmental science. Campus will be selected, entry point you wish, semester 1 2027, select a specialization. I'll go with the environmental economics, then click on save course. This process is for those who have not applied for the admission yet, so you need to apply for admission first, then apply for scholarships. Then course details, you can add other course details here if you wish. We can just cancel this and yes, and because we'll continue. Then secondary education, post-secondary education, everything is mentioned here. These are required details here. Then English language competency, you have to select here. Current secondary education or every previous education you have done is on English basis, so you can mention that here. Then save and upload that made of instruction certificate. After that, you can go to the personal details here, and in personal details you'll have to submit all the personal details like your first name, last name, and then address details, then personal details of additional questions like health insurance, everything. Then citizenship, like you need to upload a passport here, everything. Once you're ready, you can tap on review and submit. We already have done the application part. You can see once you're ready, you can simply, if you have voucher code, you can do that. Else you can submit the application, as there are certain errors in this, so we cannot move forward. And you can go my back to dashboard here, and those who have already submitted just need to fill this scholarship form here that we have recently filled here. And those who are yet to fill the admission, they need to complete the admission first. You can see one completed. Open submitted applications, here you can see application submitted, previous submissions are there, and view submitted scholarships. You can see one completed, so we have already completed one scholarship. So if you click on new application here, you can choose the type of scholarship. If you're international student visa, then click on save citizenship, and then personal details. And once you continue, you can add qualifications. Once you continue with that, you can select the scholarship round, future round, and questions will be there regarding scholarships. And once you proceed with that, every question they ask you, and are you facing financial hardship, so you'll have to mention. So you can mention any of the justifications here. Attach files. Once you move forward here, you need to answer then scholarship offerings. There will be different scholarships there. So you can mention details. Once you mention it, you can see postgrad. Select an option. You can see different courses there. Whatever you are applying, you need to mention that and tap on next. I'm just showing one of the options, completed or starting. Then direct, and now you can see future round scholarships. There are different scholarships. Eligibility questions done. Now tap on next. So then you'll be scholarship offerings. So whatever scholarship you'll be eligible to, they will be listed here. So until we premiere this video, this will be open to you all. There will be updations. Maybe I'll just refresh it. In this case, maybe they refresh as well. So because I answered some of the questions randomly, in your case it won't be like this. So there'll be a lot of questions, a lot of scholarship showing in listed here. At least RTP scholarship. So because I answered random questions, I did not read the questions properly, just to show you that the process is like the same. But for RTP scholarships, you need to fill this form here. And for other scholarships, you need to fill through this portal here. And admission on the same portal and scholarship on the same portal. You can see application for admission here and application for scholarship here. Both are on the same portal. You just need to sign up. And in case you have any questions regarding the RTP scholarship, regarding the HDR scholarship, everything you can ask directly on our website, fullscholarships.net. On the right hand side, you can see Instagram. Tap on this and it will take you to our Instagram page where it will link this page as well so that we can answer your query. And that's it for today. If you have doubts anywhere, because most of the scholarship are starting from 1st of August 2026. So today is 2nd of August, just started. It's midnight and it will be refreshing soon. Everything will be open to you. You can see conditions and additional documents. Everything is here. Advice is also given here. If you download this PDF, you can see selection criteria, how to apply, search the repository, choose the professor, and you can see the HDR portal, scholarship application form. Everything is given here. Same links are given here, and you can see the HDR portal that we have here. So create an account is not showing here right now. Click on the enquire here button to create an account and submit application. So if you see an enquire here button, you can submit, but as of now there is no enquire button showing here because it might be showing on the courses itself, so you need to check that. And that's it. I am signing off of fullscholarships.net. Please do subscribe. Any questions you can directly comment, or most of the comments are not answered because they go to spam section. So it's best to visit our website fullscholarships.net. There you can see contact section, or there you can see Instagram button. Tap on this, you can answer the question. Our team can answer your questions directly. So visit our website fullscholarships.net. That's the best method. That's it for today. I'm signing off. Full scholarships. Have a nice day ahead.